I am Pavitra Mohan Naik. Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. Today, in my last video, I have discussed up to number 12 of element of mathematics. Today I need to discuss more problem about derivative. You see number 13. The question is given sin square x cos square x. So I have to write y is equal to sin square x cos square x. I have to find the derivative of sin square x into cos square x. Just you multiply by 4 and divide by 4. This become sin square x into cos square x. You see 4 sin square x cos square x, that is sin 2x, sin square 2x, that is sin square 2x is equal to, no, this is y is equal to 1 by 4 sin square 2x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 by 4 sin square 2x is equal to 1 by 4 is the constant, sin square 2x, that is 2 sin 2x into derivative of sin 2x is equal to 1 by 4. You see 2, then this 2 cancel by 2, that is 1 by 2 sin 2x, sin 2x, derivative of sin 2x is equal to cos 2x. Again derivative of 2x is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2x into cos 2x into 2 will cancel out, is equal to sin 2x into cos 2x. Okay. You see next problem number 14. You see next problem number 14, that is sin 5x cos 7x. Given sin 5x cos 7x, I can take y is equal to sin 5x into cos 7x. You see I can apply here u by v. So differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin 5x into cos 7x is equal to cos 7x d by dx of sin 5x, v into derivative of u, this is u, this is v, plus sin 5x d by dx of cos 7x, this is equal to cos 7x derivative of sin 5x, that is cos 5x, plus again derivative of 5x, okay, plus sin 5x derivative of cos 7x, that is minus sin 7x into derivative of 7x, derivative of 7x is equal to cos 7x cos 5x, derivative of 5x is 5 plus sin 5x, you see plus minus sin 5x minus sin 7x into 7 is equal to 5 cos 7x into cos 5x plus minus minus 7, this 7 I can take it here, sin 5x into sin 7x. This is your question number 4. Again you see question number 15. The question number 15 is given 10x into cot 2x. 10x into cot 2x. I can take y is equal to 10x into cot 2x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 10x into cot 2x. U by v should apply here. So that is cot 2x d by dx of 10x plus 10x d by dx of cot 2x is equal to cot 2x. Derivative of 10x, that is sec square x plus 10x. Derivative of cot 2x, that is minus cosec square 2x. Again derivative of 2x is equal to cot 2x sec square x minus derivative of 2x equal to, I can write here 2 10x cos sec square 2x. This is your result.